পলিউশন কন্ট্রোল বোর্ড থেকে আমাদের হসপিটাল এক্সামিনেশন ইন্সপেকশন করে গেছে এবং ইন্সপেকশন সবাই বাংলা বুঝছেন, অসুবিধা হচ্ছে কিছু? আচ্ছা, সেটা তো আমি হ্যাঁ ব্রাদারদের from Kerala.
Yes.
Recently, our hospital has been inspected by the West Bengal Pollution Control Board, which is the statutory organization which monitor, regulate all the biomedical waste generated from this hospital. Unfortunately, the inspection report submitted by them is very bad. It is full of adverse comments, and the hospital may have to be closed down if the biomedical waste rules, regulations are not followed by our hospital. So take it seriously, sisters, because from this hospital we earn our bread and butter, isn't it? So the hospital must run as per the guideline of the West Bengal Pollution Control Board. You know that our hospital is a healthcare unit and it generates some waste material which is known as biomedical waste. Why it is biomedical? Because it is related to patient care, isn't it? Biomedical, the name itself signifies that the waste material which is coming in contact with the patient. And you know that many patients are carrying many diseases, blood-borne diseases such as, कुछ blood-borne disease का नाम बताइए. What are the common blood-borne diseases which can be transmitted from one person to another? बोलिए. B. ठीक. So there are so many others, but these are the common items, common organisms which are transmitted by the blood, and that is why there is a rule, Biomedical Waste Generation and Control Rule 1998, which stipulates how to control this biomedical waste so that the infection from patient is not transmitted to the general population. Surprisingly, even in a hospital setup, all infective material is not, all biomedical waste material is not basically infective. 80 to 85% of the waste material generated even from a hospital is basically non-infection. You know that 80 to 85% basically non-infection. Only 15% is basically infectious. So our duty is to segregate these 15% from the 85% so that general waste is not infected. And general waste can go to the municipal waste and rest 15%. What are these 15% waste? These are the hazardous waste or sharp waste which we segregate carefully, and that is being dealt by the pollution control. That is our agency. This agency, we have a tie-up with this agency. They take up, collect our biomedical waste, and ultimately it is disposed as per the guideline of the West Bengal Pollution Control Board. So what is the role of the healthcare worker? What is your role? Our role is to segregate the biomedical waste from the point of generation. What is the point of generation? Point of generation is the every units, wards, OT, where this biomedical waste is generated every time. That is the point of generation. In the ward, in the OT, in the dressing room, wherever we are doing something, some procedure, some biomedical waste is generated. And that biomedical waste is to be segregated at source. They have to be kept separately as per the Pollution Control Board guideline, and then we have to send it to the intermediate storage room in the hospital, just outside the hospital. There is a storage room. You have seen that? Have you seen?
Yes.
So that is the intermediate storage room. From there, these same Ramsky people, they take it to their place located in Haldia, and they finally dispose it. So this, our role is to segregate carefully as per the pollution control board guideline. In the sharp material will go to the sharp container. Then patient infective material will go to the yellow bag, and autoclavable waste material, gloves, plastic items, they will go to the blue bag, and general waste will go to the black. This is our job, to segregate it carefully, so that the waste material meant for the blue bag will not go to the yellow bag. The waste material meant for the yellow bag will not go to the blue bag. Sharp material will not go to the either to the blue bag or to the yellow bag. And sharp material, they must be kept in the puncture-proof container, so that nobody gets any needle prick injury, isn't it? Have you heard about needle prick injury? It is a very common in a healthcare setup. So this is our job. So now, কে আগে বলবেন, আপনি বলবেন না তাহলে ডক্টর ধানোয়ার স্টার্ট করে দিন নাকি? Don't waste time, उनका कोई आएगा तब तक तुम चालू करो, ठीक है? कृष्ण, डॉक्टर धानोवर